wanna know how I got these scars? My father was a drinker and a fiend.
Hello everyone! Today we are diving into setting up a real-time face motion capture pipeline with a Real Engine 5.5 MetaHuman and LiveLink, from installing the necessary softwares to streaming expressions into the engine. We start by installing the engine version 5.5 from the Epic Game launchers that you can find from the epicgames.com website. While we wait, I'll showcase a very old popular game. Okay, once the engine has finished installing, we can go ahead and install Visual Studio Community. Visual Studio is an integrated development environment that is required by Unreal to compile and manage C++ code. You can go ahead and download and install the Visual Studio Community, that is the free version. Enabling workloads, the .NET development, the development for desktop, and the development with games, both with C++. And go ahead and install the Community Edition. Once it's installed, we can finally launch the engine. Choose a blank games project, give it a meaningful name and a project location, and start the project. We're then going to go to Edit Plugins and search for MetaHuman. Activate the plugin if it's not already active, and the engine is going to require to restart. So restart the engine, and then go to the Quick Add feature to the Quixel Bridge into the MetaHuman section. You can choose the one you like and download it. I choose Erno, and then you can add it to the project. Once it's imported, it's gonna ask for a skeletal mesh. You can leave it blank because it's gonna build it at import, and you can cancel the data table options. Once it's imported, it's gonna create a MetaHuman folder into the content browser with all the necessary files and the blueprint file to be imported into the scene. I'm just gonna drag into the sample map, and the engine is gonna require to enable other missing plugins and to restart again. So follow what the engine is asked, and once it restarted, you can drag the BP into the map. And right off the bat, the quality with the sample lighting, it's already pretty good. The details are very astonishing, and if you open a level sequencer and drag into the BP from your map, you can choose the face controls and manually keyframe the position of the rig. So as you see, the blend shapes control are all in there, pretty amazing. But right now we are gonna see how to set up the real-time motion capture. So we go to Edit Plugin, choose search for LiveLink, and enable LiveLink and LiveLink Control Rig if not already. Restart the engine. Also search for Apple AR Kit and AR Kit face support. Enable those and restart the engine as required. Then we are gonna have to go to our phone, only an iPhone, and look up in the Apple Store for the LiveLink Face app. Download the application from the store. Once we open the app, we of course read all the license and privacy policy and accept it. We select the capture mode to be LiveLink AR Kit. allow access to the camera and to the microphone if you want to record some audio later on. And basically the application scans your face and probably with the LiDAR or the depth camera technology creates those data points to send to a reel. Select the target frame rate to be 30 fps, enable add rotations, and go to LiveLink. To add a target to make communication work with a real engine, we need to find the IP address of our computer. So go to your desktop and open a command prompt and type ipconfig. This is gonna give you the IP address of your phone. Input the same address from the PC to your phone, and this should enable the communication with Unreal Engine. There are some known issues and some problem you could find with the communication. To check if it's working, you can go to Windows, Virtual Production and LiveLink, and your phone should be in the subject name. If it doesn't, you can try to go to Edit and then open the project settings menu when it does, and go to Plugin and UDP Messaging. UDP is a protocol, communication protocol. So in unicast endpoint, you're gonna go ahead and input the same IP address that you input in the phone, and hopefully this is gonna make the connection works. If not, make sure that the phone and the computer are on the same local network and the computer firewall is disabled. And from that you can select the blueprint into the map, go to the LiveLink tab and select your phone and enable use ARKit face. This is gonna enable the real-time motion capture feature. So right now we are just gonna be able to control expressions and record animations, and later on clean up and do some other animations. So that's it for this video. Let me know in the comment if you'd like to have a more in-depth tutorial into how to set up maybe a full motion capture rig with MetaHuman or some other details. Cheers, see you on the other side of the lens.